Hey guys, welcome to Just Gadgets. In this video I am going to show you some awesome and coolest gadgets on Amazon, which will be useful in your daily life. And all products link are in description. If you like any product, check out description. So let's start the video. Massage gun for pain relief. Massage gun, long standby. Equipped with 3300 mAh high-quality lithium-ion battery, it can be used for 8 to 15 hours of massage on a single charge. It has 10-minute auto-pause setting to extend battery life and 12 massage heads, 7 speed levels. Suitable for muscles of all parts of the body. Enjoy deep muscle relaxation. It's suitable for back, neck, arm, leg massage. And it's also easy to control. It gives effectively relief to muscle soreness and improve lactic acid accumulation and promote blood circulation. It is a quiet massage gun, work noise less than 40 dB, which will not disturb others, allowing you to have a relaxation experience in the office and gym. This massage gun comes with carrying case. It can be a cool companion for business or travel. Screen Drive Professional Screen Cleaning Kit. MPN, alcohol and ammonia-free formula is safe to clean LCD, LED, and plasma TV screens and monitors, laptops, tablets and more advanced. Streak-free solution removes grease, smudges, fingerprints, and dust while leaving an invisible coating with oleophobic and anti-static properties to make the surface easier to clean. Antimicrobial ingredients help prevent regrowth of odor causing bacteria and microorganisms on the treated surface. Patent pending, all-in-one, stored bottle design stores and protects the premium quality, non-abrasive cloth between uses to keep it clean, dry, mildew-free and always available when you need it. Premium quality, non-abrasive, anti-static microfiber cloth is designed to clean your screen without leaving any scratches or residue and is machine washable. BELKIN SOUNDFORM Elite. The BELKIN SOUNDFORM Elite is a compact, somewhat cylindrical device weighing about 2.8 pounds. It has integrated fast wireless charging up to 10 watts for Qi-enabled devices. That touts acoustics by the top-shelf French audio company Deviant, including that brand's push-push, dual woofer configuration, which BELKIN says, cancels vibrations while delivering a deep and impactful sound experience. To the standard wireless speaker features, like Google Assistant, the SOUNDFORM Elite adds a handy twist, a wireless charging dock for your smartphone. While the SOUNDFORM Elite is a mono device, it's designed to be paired with other compatible speakers to create a custom soundscape at home. The BELKIN SOUNDFORM Elite did produce impressive low-end extension and bass for a device of its diminutive size. Good performance at its maximum volume and correct volume consistency. Its tonal balance is uneven. Rapid Egg Cooker. Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs, your way, every time. 6 egg capacity in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness, while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel and clean up as a snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Compact plus lightweight, weighing 1 pound. The Rapid Egg Cooker is your must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper, RV traveling. Plus, its sleek design and trendy color options will accent any kitchen space. Bonus all-included accessories fit inside, taking up even less space. Includes Rapid Egg Cooker includes a poaching tray, omelet tray, 6 egg holder trays, measuring cup, recipe book and recipe database access. All non-electric parts are dishwasher safe. Essentials: a 19 smart light bulb, upgraded for 2022 beyond bright at 810 lumens that can last 20,000 hours. Connect with smart assistants and let the Vaunt Home app do the switching, timing, and scheduling for you, even when you're not at home. It's that smart. It has 16 million colors to match your mood, with millions of RGB color options for creative play and warm white to bright light for deep focus. Pair this color-changing light bulb to how you're feeling, or pick a preset scene from intimate to fun and festive. It also has hands-free voice control. Let Alexa or Google Assistant take care of the light works. Turn on, off or dim, brighten your light. Sync multiple smart devices, no hub required. Your smart LED bulb only needs your voice to prep you for bed or party. It's also high quality and energy saving, designed with a robust build, made of plastic and aluminum. With 9 watts, it can save up to 80% energy. And under normal use, lifespan will last beyond 2 years. WEATHERMAN Collapsible Umbrella. Built to last, each Weatherman umbrella is built using an industrial-strength fiberglass frame, making it extremely durable and stronger than other umbrellas on the market. His water-repellent fabric is lightweight and resistant to heavy rains to keep you dry and fully protected, and allowing the umbrella to dry very quickly. This is also storm-proof. Weatherman wind-resistant umbrellas will stand up to drops, falls, breaking and inverting. The stick umbrella is designed to withstand winds of 55 miles per hour. This is also eco-friendly. Weatherman are committed to doing our part to help the earth. They were removed all plastic from Weatherman packaging and replaced it with 80% post-consumer fiber. 12-in-1 hammer multi-tool. Here is a cool and unique gift. Are you still worried about what gift to give your dad, husband or boyfriend on Christmas? Give him a versatile and personalized gift that he can carry with him every day. This tool has it all. Having this multi-tool with you is the same as carrying a toolbox, without the hassle or weight. This is a versatile pocket gadget that will help you out of a jam, whether you are indoors or outside. This multi-tool features a hammer, nail puller, pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, knife, saw, serrated knife, file, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and bottle opener. It's an impressive lineup of essentials, and its sleek, lightweight design is appreciated by all who use it. Be ready for the unexpected. Carrying a multi-tool helps anyone to be ready for any situation that requires a tool. This portable tool is excellent for the outdoors, tactical training, hunting, hiking, and camping. It's a versatile addition to anyone's arsenal of tools. Jar Owl Toolkit 146-piece general household hand tool set. At first, it's made from high-quality material. 146 pieces hand tool set for household repair and car repair. High-quality steel and finished in heat-treated chrome attributes strength, durability and anti-corrosion to this set. Forged from high-quality steel and ergonomically designed, Jar Owl Home Repair Tool Set is forged from high-grade steel alloy and finished in high-polish chrome. Jar Owl Hardware Toolbox will last a lifetime under normal use without rust or abscission, sturdy and durable. All tools are made of soft grip handle, lightweight and comfortable to hold. Soft rubber wrapped around the tools, which provides more comfort and help generate more power. Multi-function, widely applications. Jar Owl high-grade steel tool set is perfect for repairmen, construction workers, garage, dormitory, and workshop. Jar Owl Home Repair Tools Kit is also an ideal gift for family or friends. Portable toolkit. The accessories of these tools kit comes in a molded case which is well organized with a separate place for each one. The sturdy molded case can withstand pressure and keep the DIY tools safe, clean, and secure in it. Handy and lightweight, you can easily carry it anywhere. It fits anywhere in your home, apartment, garage, or even the car. Warmly reminder, they provide 12-month warranty. There is a small amount of oil stains on the product that prevents the tools from rusting. Customers can wipe the surface with a towel or paper towel. All the Jar Owl handwear tools meet or exceed industry standards for safety, durability, and functionality. Jar Owl devoted to provide high quality and service to all customers. And the video ends here. If you want to watch more videos, then click any video of them. And if you enjoy this video, so tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for great content and enjoy more. See you soon.